What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to fix loose gears on your bicycle. You see that? Yeah, when you engage your gear and after a few rides your gear disengages and goes back to the previous gear. You see this? So these ones that I'm using is a type called Nutty. See that? These gears are loose. I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to fix that on your own. You do not need to go to a mechanic. So all you need is a tool, a flat screwdriver or a tester. Remove off the top cover and tighten. You need to have a tester, then you tighten the nut on top of the gear. Just tighten it until you see that the strength in the gear is strong enough to hold your gear in position. Just like that. It is simple. See, it is now strong. So once I engage it, it will not jump out. See that? I tighten a little bit more. Just tighten it and you are good to go. Okay, so yeah, you do the same for this other one. I want to do that again just not to repeat myself. Yeah, that is the secret. So this is the nut type. I also have another type, this metallic one. See that? Yeah, this is a new one. It is also loose. Yeah, that's how they come when they are new. When you're engaging this one, you see it is loose, just like that. Yes, so now for the new one, what you do is, this one is easy. You do not need to have a tool like a tester or a flat screwdriver. All you need to do is just tighten this handle up here. It has a handle and a nut inside. You see that? The strength is increasing. You tighten a little bit more, just like that, and it will become strong enough. It will work for you. Guys, I just shared with you how you can tighten up loose gears for your bicycle. Like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.